Hello, in front of me I've got REALME GT 2 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter password and security. Go to lock screen password. Enter continue, and as you can see right here, we've got 3 password types: numeric, pattern and alphanumeric. Firstly, let's select numeric, set it, and let's use it to unlock the phone. Let's go to numeric again and use a different type of password. Thanks to that, you can select between 4-digit numeric password and 4 to 16-digit numeric password. Let's select 4. And now let's select 4 to 16-digit. Now, let's go to alphanumeric password and type your new password. And the last password you can get is pattern. Enter your old password. And draw your pattern. Once it's done, we can go back and go to Face Unlock. Simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And the last method to unlock the phone is fingerprint. And the fingerprint sensor is right here. Simply tap it multiple times. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.